Alright legends, Phil from Motorsport Tuning Solutions here. If you haven't checked out Supercheap Auto Trade by now, you're missing out. Supercheap Auto Trade reimagines what it means to have a trade account. Unlike others, Supercheap Auto Trade has something for everyone, from mechanic to plumber and everyone in between. They've got us all covered. Another reason Supercheap Auto Trade is such a super program is the website. It is one of the easiest websites to use in trade. With product categories, everything is right where you expect it to be. The website is also optimized for phones and tablets, so you can order anything wherever you are. It doesn't take much to sign up either, just your name and contact information and basic business info. You do need an ABN to sign up, but if you don't have one, explain the benefits of Supercheap Auto Trade to your boss and sign up with their ABN. With all those benefits and more, it's definitely worth checking out for yourself. Just head to the Supercheap Auto Trade website now.